Despite increased immigration from Southern Europe, Germany, and Eastern Europe during the 1920s and 1930s, the period from 1900 to 1946 saw the consolidation of the English language in Australia. This process was accelerated by the xenophobia engendered by the two world wars, which resulted in a decline in German in particular and of all non-English languages in general. As the Department of Immigration and Ethnic Affairs noted, the result was that, at the end of World War II, Australia was at its most monolingual ever, 90% of the population tracing its ancestry to Britain. The post-war migration program reversed the process of increasing English monolingualism. The post-war period also witnessed a reversal of a trend of diminishing numbers of Australians of Aboriginal and Asian descent. Dr. C. Price, a demographer at the Australian National University, has estimated that in 1947 only 59,000 Aborigines remained from a population of 110,000 in 1891. By 1981 their numbers had increased to 160,000. Between 1947 and 1971, nearly 3 million people came to settle in Australia. About 60% came from non-English speaking countries, notably Italy, Greece, Cyprus, Yugoslavia, Turkey, Germany, and the Netherlands. Since 1973, Australian immigration policies have not discriminated against people on the grounds of race, and more Asian settlers have arrived, especially from Southeast Asia generally and, more recently, from East Timor and Vietnam in particular. Between 1971 and 1981, the Asian population of Australia more than doubled to 8.5% of the total overseas-born population. Traditional migration from Europe, although remaining substantial, declined in relative importance during this decade. The numbers of new settlers from Lebanon and New Zealand also more than doubled during this period. And there was much greater migration from Latin America, Africa, and Oceania.